Assalamu alaikum. The second video of chemical bonding. So in previous video we saw ionic bond and we did an example of sodium chloride. In this video we will see the second example of ionic bond, magnesium chloride. So in magnesium atom 12 atomic number and atomic number is 12, so the number of electron is 12. So we can see the shells. So in first shell of magnesium, they have 2 electrons. In second shell of magnesium, 8 electrons, remaining 2 electrons. In third shell, so as we know that in a valence shell, octet capacity is 8 electrons. So in magnesium valence shell is 2 electrons consisting in second shell. So magnesium is unstable and highly reactive. So magnesium lose these 2 electrons, 1 electron and second electron, and then remove the third shell. And 2 chlorines, 1 chlorine is here, 2 electron in first shell, 8 electrons in second shell, and 17 electron in third shell, valence shell. And second chlorine is here, 7 electron in valence shell. So when magnesium completely transfer 2 electrons, chlorine gain these electrons. First chlorine get 1 electron and second chlorine get this electron and complete the octet. And first chlorine get minus charge, second chlorine get minus charge, and then combine Cl2 chlorine molecule get -2 charge, and magnesium remove 2 electrons. So magnesium get 2 positive. So according to electrostatic force of attraction between the charges, magnesium have positive 2 charge and chlorine have positive negative 2 charge. So the create force of attraction. What type of force of attraction? This type of force of attraction is known as electrostatic force of attraction combined together, and we will get magnesium chloride. And how to magnesium chloride make? Due to the ionic bond. And what is the ionic bond? Ionic bond is the force of attraction between two or more atoms when one atom is donate electrons and other atom is gain another atom, so get positive or negative charge, then electrostatic force of attraction between atoms, so we will get the molecule due to the ionic bond. So this is the second example of ionic bond or electrovalent bond. So Allah Hafiz.